Okay, here's a video on a AGT QH12R mini excavator. It's got auxiliaries. What else? Gas motor. Very easy to operate. I'm just gonna hop on here and show you how it works. Really quick like. Then you come check it out preview day. Look at all these leaves everywhere. All right, let me fire it up, give you a quick demo. Okay, show. Power. She's a little cold. Check it out Friday before the sale from 9 to 4. Questions in the meantime, just give us a call and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching.